I think it definitely started with fruits and flowers. In the Philippines, we had wonderful tropical fruits. My dad had a fruit plantation where we grew mangoes. But I think that kind of like aha moment when I realized that I knew more than other people. And I think that was sort of like a, I actually, can be like like an expert. Being able to work in this environment like every day to take care of a landscape, it has this ability to teach us so many different lessons. And it's not just having the pretty landscape. I also want people to see stages of growth, see the process. I think with what I do is making sure that everyone sees the changes, the seasons, how resilient plants are, how they adapt.